I ready by bow and stay alert.
I am Baldar, and I must speak. You are like a son to me, but look around you. There is a whole world outside these four walls. Your life has become a waste. We got you through the early years. Yeah.
Too robotic.
I blame you for giggling back there. Okay.
We got you through the early years.
All right.
We got you through.
Let's do it for Blanco.
I am Baldar.
Baldor.
Baldor.
Al Gore.
Al Gore. Baldor. Al Gore. Baldor. Now I'm gonna say I am Al Gore.
That would fit the robot voice.